You are managing a global project with team members spread across 3 different time zones and collaborating with 2 external vendors. Ensuring effective integration and analysis of your project data is critical for maintaining a clear and accurate view of project's progress. Which approach would you use to achieve this? Yeah. So knowing where we are, ensuring transparency, knowing about our project progress, and the context has been given spread across multiple geography and also working with a vendor. Let's see the option. Option A, regular update the project schedule to reflect the most recent progress and forecast future performance. Great idea. Yes, you should be keeping project schedule always updated. But we need to also remember as a project manager, project schedule is not everything about project. There could be other aspects as well. So we probably want to see an aspect which can take a holistic approach of project progress rather than only focusing on project schedule. Project schedule is an important parameter, but we can't just rely on, there are risks, there are other things. Yeah, we need to consider cost is another parameter. So we need to have an integrated view. Option B, implement a project management information system, PMIS, that consolidate data from different sources and generate comprehensive report. So it is a very open-ended abstract option. It is saying that we will put a system in place which will integrate everything and produce a digital electronic data for everyone to consume. Yeah. So though at a high level, but it is not having anything negative. It can be a candidate option if you don't find anything good. I would like to see something specifically focusing on that we integrate, we analyze, we present as per the different consumption people, rather than just we put and put a PMIS and show it to everyone. So let's see if we get something better. Option C, conduct frequent team meetings to discuss individual task progress and manually compile status update. So yes, we do need to consolidate things. But the problem here is the meeting looks like an interactive communication. Meeting is a great idea in general because it collaborates everything. But the question is clearly indicating that the team is spread across 3 geographies and there are vendors also. Just relying on meeting and manually consolidating everything may not be effective, B is still better because it is giving a little bit structured process of integrating the data and moving forward. Let's see option D. Develop a communication management plan that specifies the frequency and format of status report to the stakeholders. So communication management plan is definitely needed. But first I need to consolidate the data and come up with the thing. And then I will disperse the data or disperse that particular information. So as we learn in our terminology, I collect the data, I convert into information, then I prepare a work performance report, and then I will distribute this work performance reports as per the interest area of different stakeholders. So directly jumping to communication may not be a right thing to do as an option D. So we have a situation, I feel that none of the option is a great option. So we need to choose the one which can decently fit. Yeah, that's something we are looking for. So A is talking about scheduling, B is open-ended, but not getting into specific details, but nice option. C and D has a specific problems. So because of the lack of better option than B, I can go with B because we need to integrate all the aspects of the project and then come up with the integrated status report related to our project. So option B, using PMIS to generate consolidated report seems to be a good idea. The exam content outline, this particular question is mapped to task 9 of a process domain, integrate project planning activities, because we are not thinking about integration when we think about creating a project management plan. We need to keep the integration consistent. So this is more about the monitoring part of the project where we want to consolidate, produce a work performance report and use the work performance report. That something is the idea of this particular question. Now topic, project integration, that is where we have possibly discussed in this particular question at length that this is about all project integration.